Finally, the iPhone 17 solves the biggest vlogging problem, dual capture feature.
Raise your hand if you've ever been filming something awesome, a concert, a sporting event, your pet doing something wild, and you immediately thought, I wish I could capture my reaction. For years, that meant a clunky third-party app or stopping the recording, flipping the camera, and losing the moment. Not anymore. The iPhone 17 just solved one of the biggest problems for content creators with one feature, native dual capture.
Hey everyone, and welcome back. Today, we're diving into the simplest yet most powerful new feature on the iPhone 17, dual capture. Lets you record video using both the front and rear cameras simultaneously. And for the first time, it's built right into the native camera app. No more subscription apps, no watermarks, no confusing interfaces.
This feature is an absolute game changer for vloggers, reaction content, and anyone who wants to capture their authentic experience in one single file.
It's incredibly easy to use.
Here's the 4-step cheat sheet. 1. Open the camera app and swipe over to video mode. It won't work in photo mode. 2. Tap the quick settings icon. That's the 6 little dots in the top right. 3. Enable dual capture. You'll instantly see your beautiful face pop up in the corner. 4. Hit record. That's it. You are now capturing 2 angles in one video. Now, before you think it's perfect, let's talk about the important limitations you need to know about. Limitation 1, no resizing or split screen. Your selfie feed is stuck in that small overlay box. You can drag it to any of the 4 corners, but you cannot make it larger, and you can't switch to a 50-50 split view. Limitation 2, 30 FPS cap. While the main camera can shoot at higher frame rates, dual capture maxes out at 30 frames per second. If you need slow motion or cinematic 60 FPS, you'll have to stick to one camera. Limitation 3, it's one file. Remember, this is one baked-in video. You can't separate the front and back feeds later in your editing app to adjust their size or position. What you record is what you get. So, is dual capture a game changer? Absolutely. It finally brings a must-have feature to the native camera, making spontaneous content creation faster and easier than ever. It's perfect for that quick reaction shot for TikTok or documenting your travel in a single take. Now tell me, what are you going to film first with this new feature? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this breakdown helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the iPhone 17. See you in the next video.